How to make emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Here, tap the emoji icon on the left below on the keyboard. Then, tap the stickers icon which looks like a peeling sticker below. Now, tap the plus icon right beside the search option to create a new sticker. This opens your photo library. Select a photo that you wish to make an emoji with. After selecting the photo, iPhone software automatically identifies the main subject and cuts it out from the background. Here, tap Add Sticker to save the cutout. The new sticker is now permanently added to your personal sticker collection for future use. Now, in the message field, type in the message that you want to convey. Then, tap the emoji icon on the keyboard. Here, you can see the sticker you just made in emoji form. Tap on it. After typing the message, tap on the send arrow. Finally, the message will be sent with the emoji. Following these steps, you can easily make emojis on an iPhone.